So the lace frontal that I have on right now, it is from eBay, and it is 100% virgin human hair, a 413 closure straight, and it is a free part. And I've permanently parted it there, like I told you guys earlier. But I didn't get a lace front that's already parted because if I want to maybe like have curls going this way, or maybe a lot of hair going this way, or whatever I choose to do, because I'm gonna have a crazy weekend for my birthday. So yeah, so I just chose a free part, and it's on really well. I use the Got to Be glue and the Got to Be freeze spray for my lace frontal to go on, and for me to do down my baby hairs. I use the freeze spray. Now with the freeze spray, it is going to make your edges like a little like crusty looking, but with the freeze spray you can just wipe that off and just keep it moving. Now with that Got to Be glue, like, oh my goodness, like you are gonna have hell on your hands. I don't want to say that, but you're gonna have hell on your hands to get your edges cleaned up good if you use that. So just use the Got to Be glue on your lace and not your baby hairs. I don't know any other like gel to use, so if y'all know, please tell me, because I don't know. Like, I have no clue. If you see me looking back and forth, because I'm recording on two different devices. Okay. And the back of my hair, it is in clips. The hair that I used was Outreach. I don't know how to pronounce it. It is in jet black, and it's simply 100% unprocessed human hair. It has coconut oil. It, like, you guys, seriously, this hair really does smell like coconut oil. Like, when as I was doing my hair, I was like, what is that smell? Like, what is that? Because I smell my perfume, but I smell something else. So I'm like, what is that smell? It's the hair. It's the freaking hair. I was like, oh my God, I forgot that this hair like the oil. And I'm just open up the pack, taking my stuff out, sizing my hair, sizing my little hair in the back or whatever to do my clips. And I'm like, what is that smell? It's the hair. Like, it's the freaking hair. Um, it's 7+ quality, and you can bleach, dye, and customize this hair as well. So this is the hair that I used. And again, it was 14, 16, 18, and this was the frontal was 14. But if you guys want to get your lace frontal done, either if it's a 360 or just a frontal in the bundles, or if it's a full lace wig, my contact information will be down below for you guys to contact me. And I'm going to show you guys the lace all the way around one more time so you can feel comfortable if you book me to do your hair. So this is what it looks like in the front. It's on really good, and it is a free part. You can part it anywhere you want to. Well, I ain't be able to do this with my finger, but you can part it anywhere you want to. In the back, like I said before, mine is clips, so I could just take my clips out. But it's really full, well put together. All my lines is together really well, just to make sure that you don't see any tracks or anything in the back. I lightly curled mine with some Conair curlers. The other curlers that I have, I didn't want to use because I knew it would be like too hot. Like, well, I could put any heat on this hair, but I choose not to, because I anytime I use hair and stuff like this, like, I take care of it. I don't really damage it because the hair is kind of expensive. And I know some people, y'all balling, y'all got it. Okay, do whatever you want to, but me, I'm not doing that. Like, I want to take care of my hair. So, yeah, and before I did my hair, there was a process as well. I did wash and condition, and I did a scalp treatment as well. I'm gonna post up on the screen those videos, so for you guys, you can go and check out this video that I'm doing right now, because the videos is not gonna pop up on the screen. So yeah, you guys, so again, if you want to book me to do your lace, my contact information will be down below. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.